Good morning, boys and girls. Finally some sunshine after weeks of rain and cold. These haven't died yet, but I won't be taking anything off them. I mean, there's probably a couple of good leaves there, but I'll think about it. I'll just let it go. I haven't looked in here in over a month. It'll be a disaster. It'll be overgrown with weeds. Oh, we might have got some seeds, not sure. There's some good leaf in here. I can't actually see. Probably too cold. The flowers haven't fallen off them yet. Although there's one group, the original group, looks like it might be okay. A bit of leaf in here, but mostly it's crap. So I'll get around to that, but it's too cold to be working outside. It's probably 8 degrees here at the moment. So we'll go inside and have a look. But no wind, but it's still cold. I don't know, it's probably 4 at the moment. Alright. Right, I've had this Hawkmatic come September. In a few months' time it will be 2 years. I've done roughly 19 or 20,000. I don't know how the counter reset itself, but it did. So since I repaired it, I've done about 7,000. I can highly recommend it. It's a good machine. There's another couple that are on AliExpress, a different type. I might get hold of one of those, but not sure. There's also a self-loading one of these coming out. It's just been released for testing now. It's in Europe. It's not available yet, so that might be interesting. This Hawkmatic brand is a good brand. Much better than the Powermatic in my opinion. Alright. Right, I'm stripping some leaves. The important thing is with these, that needs a little bit more water. Oh no, that's alright. I've been using this for about 2 years now. I hardly ever use that big cut, but I use these two. On the bigger leaves I start on this one, I get halfway through it and then I switch to the narrow one. That's good. These need a bit of water in them. That's what I did yesterday. And the blender, mashing it up, I found that if I leave it running a little bit longer, I don't get so many of those sticks in that. And the last lot that I ran through the machine, I didn't have any fake feeds at all. Alright, now there's a problem with these bins, is that the little, try and get this in here, the little tabs on the end, I don't know if you'll see it in there, probably not, it's not that visible, stuck in here, yeah, you can see it there, stuck in here is the end of the tab, so later on when I do some repairs on these, I'll show you how I do make these go again and they don't fail. Alright? Well, after 30 years of growing tobacco, I'm not sure I'll ever understand it. Now, it's been cold, but we've got a bunch from last year germinating in here, so that sort of saves me a bit of a problem for next month's bit of work. So, how they germinated, I don't know. It's been cold and normally you won't get that, but there you go.